In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets under $300 on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XPPen Deco Pro. The XPPen Deco Pro Gen 2 series is a cutting-edge graphic tablet available in 3 sizes: MW 9 by 6 inches, LW 11 by 7 inches, and XLW 15 by 9 inches, with a sleek, ultra-slim design that features a high-class metal backplate for refined look. This tablet boasts an impressive resolution of 5080 LPI and the world's first 16,384 pressure levels, facilitated by the innovative X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus, ensuring highly precise and smooth drawing experiences. With a tilt recognition of up to 60 degrees, it supports various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, Chrome OS, and Linux, while being compatible with major digital art software such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. This tablet also offers both wired and Bluetooth connectivity with a stable battery life of 10 hours, allowing for comfortable and efficient creation, enhanced by features like an ergonomic wrist rest and a wireless shortcut remote for boosted productivity. Note that it requires a connection to a computer or Android device to function and does not operate independently. Number 2. XPPen Artist 12. The XPPen Artist 12, second generation, is a versatile pen tablet monitor designed for digital artists, animators, and educators, featuring a 12-inch display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and a wide color gamut of 127% sRGB. It boasts 8,192 pressure levels and a tilt sensitivity of up to 60 degrees, allowing for intricate and realistic drawings with the battery-free X3 Elite stylus. The tablet includes 8 customizable shortcut keys for enhanced productivity and has a compact dimension of 346.2 by 209 by 12 mm, with a working area of 263.23 by 148.07 mm. Its full lamination reduces parallax for improved accuracy, while extensive compatibility ensures it works seamlessly with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Chrome OS. The device also supports multiple digital art software programs, making it a suitable gift for kids interested in art and a valuable tool for professionals. Number 3. HUION Kamvas 13. The HUION Kamvas 13 is a sleek and lightweight pen tablet monitor designed for creative professionals and hobbyists alike, featuring a 13.3-inch Full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and an impressive color gamut of 120% sRGB. Weighing only 980 g and measuring just 11.8 mm in thickness, it is highly portable, making it ideal for artists on the go. The device supports both Type-C to HDMI and Type-C to Type-C connections, allowing seamless compatibility with laptops and Android devices. Equipped with an 8,192 pressure level digital pen that operates on battery-free electromagnetic resonance technology and features 8 programmable press keys, the Kamvas 13 enhances creative workflows. It also boasts a fully laminated screen with an anti-glare protector, minimal parallax, and a 178-degree viewing angle for optimal user experience. The package includes essential accessories like a digital pen, multiple cables, a pen holder, and additional pen tips, ensuring users have everything they need to start their creative journey immediately. Number 4. Huion Inspiroy 2. The HUION Inspiroy 2M is a versatile graphic tablet designed for both professional and amateur artists, offering an impressive 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution of 5080 LPI, all within a compact size of 246 mm by 152 mm. This digital tablet features a wide compatibility with various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and Harmony OS, allowing seamless transitions between devices. Notably, it introduces 3 customizable group keys, expanding functional shortcuts from 8 to 24, which simplifies workflow significantly. It also includes a scroller for easy navigation, which can be adjusted for sensitivity. The tablet's design is adaptable for left-handed users and can be rotated for different screen orientations. Additionally, its lightweight and thin profile, under 1 cm thick, make it highly portable, perfect for artists on the go. The package contains the tablet, a pen with nibs, and necessary accessories, but buyers should be mindful of potential customs duties when shipping from China. Number 5. UGM708 Tablet. The UGM708 is a versatile graphic tablet designed for artists and creatives, featuring a generous 10 by 6 inch active area that provides ample space for sketching, drawing, and editing. It boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, allowing for precise control and the ability to create natural-looking lines, simulating the experience of drawing on paper. The tablet includes a battery-free stylus, which eliminates the need for charging, and supports tilt functionality of up to 60 degrees for enhanced shading capabilities. Additionally, it is equipped with 8 customizable shortcut keys to streamline workflows and maximize efficiency. With a report rate of 266 RPS and a high resolution of 5080 LPI, the M708 is compatible with popular software such as Sketchbook, SAI, Photoshop, and Illustrator, making it an ideal tool for artists looking to elevate their creative projects. The device is constructed from durable ABS material and interfaces via micro USB, ensuring reliable connectivity and performance.